got to go from 1.2 Virginia-class subs to 2.2 over the course of the next decade. What you guys are doing here could be a really important part of figuring out that problem in the solution that MELD provides, which is the ability to do really intense additive manufacturing to produce tiny parts that are really hard to get, or massive parts for which the lead time to order is so long. The ability to produce using this technology without the lead times, without the heat, without the energy use, without the wasting of materials, because you're adding rather than milling and cutting. I think it's a big game changer, and I know the early adopters within the armed services community, that's the way they feel about this too. That's the way they feel about you and what you do. Now, you're doing things that is much more than about sea power. You know, the company's origin was really in the aviation space and doing a lot of good work with the Air Force. You guys just delivered a really amazing capacity to the Army that's going to help the Army build tanks with seamless hulls, which are much more likely to withstand IED explosions or other problems, because when there are those kind of disruptions, the seams and the welds are often the most vulnerable place where then the damage is done, and it's not just damage to a tank, it's damage to everybody that's in the tank. Well, okay, what MELD is able to do is to help the Army start to think about doing hulls that are seamless, that will keep people safer. And will also produce hulls a whole lot faster than the way they're being produced right now.